VIT integrated MTech. So hi friend, this is Amit. Here I am going to talk about the integrated MTech course, that is PCM percent versus all branch, with how many percent, different type of campus you will able to get. So here is the important information. All campus category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, everything I will provide you. What are the fee of this category, I will provide you in my next video. So please try to watch this video up to the last and try to subscribe the channel. So minimum 70% you should have in PCM to get admission in Vellore and Chennai campus, and if you have 65% minimum, then you will be eligible for AP and Bhopal campus. And from both the thing, that is 60% for SC/ST in Vellore and Chennai, 55% for Amravati and Bhopal for SC/ST category, means 10% relaxation is there. So now let's talk about the different thing, that is VIT AP a score versus branch. CSC specialization with Bhartusa, you also know, is available in AP. So category 1 will be available at 84 marks and software engineering 81 marks. Category 2 80 and 76 marks. Category 3 75 and 72 marks. Category 4 69 and 68 marks. Category 5 67 and 66 marks. One advice, and or you can say information for you, that is on the screen you are getting my number, that is for paid guidance. Don't contact me for just confirming, sir, I have 81, whether I will get software engineering. Here it is 81 and I'm saying software engineering you will get. Then why you are calling for confirmation? If you need my guidance, you can contact me, because in guidance I will guide you for each and everything, how to fill the choices, category, that is if you are getting the category 1 in AP and category 4 in Vellore, what you should select, everything I will be doing the choice filling. Because once you do mistake in that, you will lose the counseling, you will have to join with higher fee category, or you have to leave the seat. So I will provide you three things: best campus, best branch, and best fee category to save your money also. So try to contact me if you are ready to pay my guidance, that is 3000 minimum, or some discount I can provide you sometime, some offer is going on, so 2.5 thousand, 2000 like this. So charge will be 2 to 3000. If you want to just clear your doubt, 499 you can pay, and you will get one call session with me, unlimited question, unlimited time you will have, so that you can ask all your questions. So now VIT Chennai, here is the information. Category 1 88, that is CSC, and software engineering 84. Category 2 84 and 80. Category 3 79 and 76. Category 4 74 and 73, and category 5 72 and 72 again. And Bhopal CSC with data science 82 78 80. Category 2 78 74 76. Category 3 74 70 72. Category 4 71 68 69. Category 5 68 67 67 again. This is for Bhopal campus. So better counseling will always provide you the best. So do better counseling to get best out of your rank, that I will do for you, because you are going to pay lakhs of money. So once you get better category, you will save 1 lakh per year, so 4 lakh. So what is the problem in paying 2 to 3000 to my guidance and get the better category to save your money? I hope you understand my point. Now Vellore main campus CSDS, if you want 94, category 1, and software engineering 91, Bhartusa 89. Category 2 89, 86, 84 for all three branches respectively. Category 3 86, 83, 80. Category 4 83, 79, 77. Category 5 78, 74, 72. So this was about the complete information. So VIT counseling is a unique type of counseling. So you have to do it very carefully. One mistake and you will lose the chance to join VIT college. So hope you get my point. Kindly subscribe the channel. Once the result will be, that is rank list will be published based on your score. Hope you have already applied up to 28th May, you can apply. After that the rank will be published based on your board score, and based on that rank also I will try to provide you the cutoff. Thank you.